kakapagod pero kailangang mag-declutter tayo para maaliwalas yung ating bahay. So this is what keeping me busy for today, guys. Oh, I just heard the truck and it says their delivery. So I have here a package. Okay, open. Let's see. Is this the one? Yes, guys. Holidays are coming. That's why I ordered a curtain. This is dark. Ooh, it look nice. Oh, wow. And what's funny about this one is the price is good. That's why we ordered this 2 pieces or 1 set of curtain. And then after maybe 20 minutes, we made up our mind because it's the price is good. We decided to order another set. So just after 20 minutes. But how they ship it, I don't know, because the first order we received today, and then the second order we will be receiving or getting tomorrow. We thought they will come together because the time interval is just around 20 minutes. How is that? But it's okay. So I have here the curtain. Ooh. Wow. This is nice. This why it's dark like this, because this is for our room. It look nice. So it's 2 pieces like this for 1 set, but I will not hang today because I will be waiting for the second set, hopefully to be delivered tomorrow. So next is let's go to the kitchen and cook. What's for dinner tonight? Well, you have to stay with me so you will know what's for dinner. I promise it's another delicious recipe, a Filipino recipe. Okay, see you there. Cooking time, guys. So I have here pork ribs. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng tubig. Pagkatapos niyan, pakukuluan ko. So boil for few minutes para alisin natin yung mga scums. So eto na yung ating pork ribs. Kumukulo na yung tubig na nilagay kanina, at kung napapansin ninyo, guys, lumalabas na yung mga scums or para siyang foamy. Ito yung mga blood. So, after na mag-float silang lahat, I will change the water para malinis yung ating soup. Ayan din siya, ganyan. So, aalisin natin yan, ganyan. Para sure tayo na malinis yung ating kakainin. Now, I will turn off the stove and I will change the water. Okay, mag-umpisa na tayo. So, I put around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Magigisa po tayo. So I will just wait for the oil to become hot. So first, ilalagay ko yung bawang. bawang muna or yung ating garlic. Crush lang siya at saka medyo kinat. Saute. And then I will also add, and then next is onion. I will also put ginger or yung ating tinatawag na luya. Sa aming mga Ilocano, laya. So, between low to medium heat, and then I will put half of the tomato. So, half lang muna. Okay, next, kukunin ko yung pork ribs. Ito na yung pork ribs. I will add the pork ribs. Ayan. And then, I will put eto, yung fish sauce. So, ang gamit ko, syempre, yung Filipino patis. Naglagay ako ng around 1.5 tablespoon or you can do it 2 tablespoons. So, simmer for few minutes para ma-absorb ng pork ribs yung mga nilagay natin na spices at saka yung patis. And while doing that, I will get water. Okay, so maybe 2 more minutes. Ayan, masarap ang dinner for tonight, guys. Kasi naisip kong magsinigang. Mahangin kasi, it's so breezy, it's windy this whole week. And so it's time to have a hot soup, sinigang. And later, mamimitas ako ng either lemon or calamansi. I-add ko dito para talagang maasim siya. Diba ang sinigang dapat maasim? Kaya, ayan. Meron akong lemon or calamansi dyan sa yard. So, magagamit ko yon. Okay, mukhang na-absorb na ng pork yung mga nilagay nating spices, lalo na yung patis. So, mag-a-add ako ng water. Ito yung tubig. So, I'm not sure if this is enough, the water, to make it tender. If not, of course, I will add later. So I will just leave this simmer. I need to cover. Ayan. And I will leave this maybe at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I will check. Let's see if by that time, tender na siya. So, I see you guys later. Hala, mukhang uulan. So, pupunta lang ako dito sa likod, guys. Ay, ayan na yung ulan. Mamimitas lang ako or kukuha ng lemon or calamansi. Depende kung ano ang merong available na dito. Kasi eto na yung ulan. Wow. Kuha lang ako ng tatlo. Ayan, meron akong nakuha. So, depende kung anong gagamitin namin mamaya, guys. I have lemon, I have calamansi. We will eat sinigang. And I'm back, guys. So, check natin kung kulo-kulo yung ating soup. Pork rib sinigang. So, check natin kung okay na, tender na yung meat. Para sure, sampulan natin. Super lambot. So, next, I need to put the potato. Lagay natin yung patatas. Ayan. Again, tatakpan ko lang siya at lutuin natin yung patatas. Ay, wait. Gusto kong maglagay ng peppercorn. Lalagay ako ng konting peppercorn. Tingnan natin kung luto na yung patatas. Mukhang half cooked na siya. So next, lalagay ko yung cabbage. Ayan, lagyan natin ng madaming cabbage. Repolyo sa ating mga Filipino, repolyo siya. Natakpan na yung mga patatas at saka pork ribs. Pero magsishrink yan mamaya. Lagay ko na din yung pinitas ko kanina na string beans sa aming yard. Ilagay natin yung natirang tomato para maganda siyang tingnan. Yan. Cover. Check natin. And before I serve, I will put some calamansi. Ayan. Konti lang ang ilalagay and then later, pag kumain, pwedeng magdagdag ng pampaasim. So, depende na mamaya kung anong gusto ni Habi, kung gusto niya ng calamansi or lemon. Lalagay pa ako ng konti. Konti pa. Ayan. Ang bango din. So, eto na yung aking pork ribs sinigang. Kita-kits mamaya pag kumain. Ayan. So, eto ang aking version ng pork ribs sinigang. Let's eat. Ito na yung sinigang pork ribs. Ayan siya, mainit-init na pork ribs sinigang. Look, na-detach na yung meat sa bone. Kaya ayan, super lambot siya. Okay, let's eat, let's eat. Sampulan natin. Yes. Yes, thank you.
Right in front of the camera.
My intermission delivery package delivery. Sampulan natin with lagyan natin siya ng drop of lemon. Masarap. Naimas. You don't like it yet?
Can you wait? Since I gotta go all the way to the garage. Yeah?
Okay. Remove the bone already. Potato. Cabbage. The soup. Sabaw. This is pork rib soup. That's why you can see there is soup. with a drop of lemon. Ooh. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching.